This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Jill Crinion. Tucked away in a highly desired neighborhood in Rosepine, this classic ranch boasts an open living room, large dining area, kitchen with tons of cabinets and 2 breakfast bars. Split floor plan with spacious bedrooms, each with their own walk-in closet. Grand owner's suite features a walk-in closet, double tray ceiling, his and her sinks, jacuzzi tub and separate shower. Large covered patio, perfect for an outdoor living area. Move-in ready. Call Jill Crinion 337-348-2652 to schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.